This is Buckle Down page 169, Lesson Practice Part 2. Number 1. Which solid figure can have faces that are squares and non-square rectangles? Please see pages 163 through 164. You will find out that it is a rectangular prism. Number 2. Which solid figure has 8 vertices? Let's see. If you would study pages 163 through 164, you will find out that this is called triangular pyramid, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. This is a rectangular pyramid, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentagonal pyramid because the base is 5-sided figure, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. This is rectangular prism, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. So it is choice D. Number 3. Which name describes the triangle below? Please see pages 161 through 162. First, let's talk about this symbol right here. This is a right angle symbol. So this is a right triangle. And it can be also described by its sides. This triangle can be described by its sides. Notice this is 8 meters. This is 6 meters. This is 10 meters. So all 3 sides are different length. So it is called scalene. So we have right scalene. Choice D. Number 4. Which solid figure can be made from this net? Please see page 163, and you will find out this is a rectangular prism. Page 170, number 5. Which solid figure always has congruent faces? Congruent means same shape, same size. Again, see page 163, and you will find out it is a cube. Number 6. How many more combined faces and vertices does prism have than edges? Please see page 163, and you will find out prism has 6 faces and 8 vertices and has 12 edges. Since question asks how many more faces and vertices, so you need to combine faces and vertices and then take the edges away. So you have 6 faces plus 8 vertices, which gives you 14, and there are 12 edges, so 14 minus 12, which is 2. So answer 2, how many more combined faces and vertices does prism have than edges? Answer is 2. Thanks.